Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to know exactly what can watch for free with your Prime membership, Prime Video makes it easy to identify and browse all included content without paying extra. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to see what's included on Prime Video in 2026 clearly and efficiently. So first thing first, open Prime Video, like launch the Prime Video app or website depending on what you are using currently, Android, iOS or laptop. Go to the home screen like you're to be ready to explore. Okay, look for included with Prime sections, like scroll through the home page, find rows labeled included with Prime or free to use. So this sections show only free content. Use filters for full access, like go to search or categories, or like this. Okay, open filter or refine. Okay, so for example, let's choose this, for example, just an example. Okay, and this. Okay, so select included with Prime. Okay, so now all results are included in your subscription. So check title pages, like open any movie or show, look for included with Prime badge. Okay, it confirms it's free to watch. Okay, so browse by category, like go to genres like action, comedy, etc. Combine with included with Prime filter. It helps you discover more for free content. Okay, so start watching, like tap play, and there is no extra payments required. Okay, so there are some common mistakes that happens, like assuming everything is free, clicking rent without checking, or ignoring the Prime badge. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.